Hey guys, so this is just a quick, I think they call them shorts on here, video showing me cleaning up my asparagus bed. This is where my asparagus grows. I do have videos of this on TikTok and my Instagram if you guys want to check that out. Okay, so I cleaned it up, removed a lot of the old leaves, added a fresh layer of compost on there and some 10-10-10 fertilizer and mixed that in. And then I went and cleaned up my I call it my tomato valley, because usually I grow my tomatoes on the left side of my garden. And this year I'm doing it on the right side because the left side has been taken over by garlic. I figured it's time I rotate the crops because I always grow tomatoes there with good success. So, and I also decided to grow or plant out my French shallots today. I actually picked these up from the grocery store, and it's actually cheaper to buy these from the grocery store. I like to buy the smallest bulbs that they have because I can get a lot of them for a little bit of money. This entire bag cost me $3. I also kept the bottoms of the shallots that I used while cooking, and I planted those as well. Well, that is it for today's chores. I will be uploading another short in a day or so. Bye, guys.